Okay guys, what I'm going to touch on now is actually what we call the G major scale, and this G major scale is going to be in a 3 notes per string format. Okay, so this 3 note per string, let me explain to you. Basically it's just to play 3 notes for every string that you are going through. Okay, so basically the shape of the finger that you will be using will be something like this. Okay, you can segregate them into the top 2 strings, the middle 2 strings, and the last 2 strings. Okay, so the top 2 string fingering will be like this. So you'll be on your fret 3, fret 5, and fret 7. So you'll be the same for the top 2 strings. So you'll be like okay, and then it comes to the middle 2 strings. Okay, you will what you can do is that you can space out your fingers, your 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, your 4 fingers, and you space them out to cover 1 fret each. So 1 fret each. Okay, 1 fret each, like that. Okay, so for the middle 2 strings in the G major scale, 3 notes per string, you're going to cover fret number 4, 5, and 7. So 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Okay? So remember this combination of a finger. This is how it works. Okay? And then you will progress to the last 2 strings, which will cover fret 5, fret 7, and fret 8. Okay, so you'll be like. Okay, so remember the shape of the finger. This is the formation of the fingers. So take a look. Okay, so I repeat again. You'll be the top 2 strings will be your fret 3, 5, 7. Okay, middle 2 strings will be your fret 4, 5, and 7. Okay, your last 2 strings will be your fret 5, 7, and 8. Okay, so when you play it once through, it will sound like this. And then you can add a G chord over there. Yeah, this is a G triad chord. It is similar to the D, okay, but it's just that you are playing the last 3 strings just over here. Okay, from the 7th fret onwards. Yeah, this will train you how to identify chords that is relevant to the scale, that is easier for you to play nearby. Okay, for example, chords that are diatonic to G will be chords like G, C, and D. Okay, so I repeat again one more time. Okay, so one thing that you need to do is that instead of practicing without a tempo, you should practice with a tempo. So I don't really have a metronome over here. So what I do is that I just tap on my feet. Okay, just tap on my feet. So I will do it what I call a 4-beat, 8-beat, or 16-beat. Okay, what I mean by 4-beat is that let's say for a song that is in 4/4, so you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, right? For a song in 4/4 and you want to do a 8-beat, you will do a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, that is 8-beat. And if you want to do a 16-beat, you will be a 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Okay, now I demonstrate how you do that. Okay, let's say for a 4-beat, I will do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 8 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. So try to practice this until you are able to get a consistent tempo. Okay, then you are more or less there. Then we can advance to other things. Alright, have fun.